Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic astringent. What do you mean by astringent? Astringent is a chemical compound that tend to shrink or constrict the body tissue and which bring about the protein precipitation action, and it will form a protective layer on the surface. Astringent is a chemical compound that tend to shrink or constrict body tissue and which bring about the protein precipitation action, and it will form a protective layer on the surface. Due to their protein precipitation action, which are able to reduce cell permeability. It will also reduce local edema, exudation and inflammation. The word astringent derived from Latin astringere, that meaning to bind fast. They are usually applied to the damaged skin topically. They are topically applied to the damaged skin and also to the mucous membrane of the GIT including mouth. I mean astringent. Astringent is a chemical compound that tend to shrink or constrict body tissue and which bring about the protein precipitation action, and it will form a protective layer on the surface. Next, characteristics of astringent. They affect only in the they act only superficial layer that reduce cell permeability. Due to their protein precipitation action, it will reduce cell permeability and make the surface mechanically strong and decrease exudation and protect from external irritation. It will also possess a local styptic or local antiseptic action. It may interfere with the function of pain receptor, that is the pain relieving action is mild, and it will constrict the blood vessel to stop bleeding. It is the characteristics of astringent. They are affect only in the superficial layer. It will reduce cell permeability and it will protect from external irritation. It possesses a local styptic and local antiseptic action. It have mild pain relieving action. It will constrict blood vessel to stop bleeding. Next, classification. Types of astringent. Mainly three types: vegetable astringents, metallic astringent and miscellaneous. Vegetable astringent, example tannic acid and gallic acid. Next, metallic astringent, that is inorganic astringent, aluminum salt, potassium aluminum sulfate, that is alum, aluminum chloride, aluminum acetate, zinc salt, example zinc chloride and zinc sulfate, zinc chloride and zinc sulfate, ferric chloride, strontium chloride, silver nitrate, copper sulfate. These are also metallic astringent. Miscellaneous, very cold water and alcohol, that is miscellaneous example for astringent. These are the main type. In this chapter mainly discuss about the inorganic astringent. Two examples are discussed in the chapter: zinc sulfate and alum. Next, indications. The astringents are mainly indicated for swollen, inflamed or leaky tissues. Swollen, inflamed or leaky tissues. They are used to treat diarrhea or dysentery. During leukorrhea, that means thick white or yellowish vaginal discharge, that is leukorrhea. And during minor bleeding like menorrhagia and hemorrhoids. And they promote healing process. They decrease sweating and possess deodorant properties. Mild astringent solution are used to relieve such minor skin irritation, and those resulting from a superficial cuts, allergies, insect bites or fungal infections such as athlete's foods. They are mainly indicated swollen, inflammatory, leaky tissue, It also used to treat diarrhea or dysentery, and it also used during leukorrhea, that means thick or yellowish white vaginal discharge. That also used during minor bleeding like menorrhagia and hemorrhoids. They promote healing process. They decrease sweating and possess deodorant properties. Next, first example, zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate, their molecular formula ZnSO4, molecular mass zinc sulfate heptahydrate ZnSO4.7H2O, that is 287.53 gram per mole. Their synonym white vitriol, zinc sulfate, they are also known as white vitriol. Their properties, their appearance, colorless, transparent crystal, prisms or needles, or as a granular crystalline powder. It is a colorless, transparent crystal or granular crystalline powder. Odor, odorless, taste, astringent and metallic taste. Their density, anhydrous zinc sulfate density 3.54 gram per centimeter. Zinc sulfate heptahydrate, that is ZnSO4.7H2O, their density 2.072 gram per centimeter. Melting point 680 degrees Celsius. And anhydrous zinc sulfate decomposes at 100 degrees Celsius. Zinc sulfate heptahydrate decomposes 70 degrees Celsius. Their solubility in water, soluble in water and glycerin, soluble in water and also soluble in glycerin but insoluble in alcohol. Their refractive index 1.658 for anhydrous zinc sulfate and 1.4357 for zinc sulfate heptahydrate. That is the properties, physical properties of zinc sulfate. Next, chemical properties of zinc sulfate. The aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, all forms of zinc sulfate behave identically. In this aqueous solution, they consist of metal aqua complex, that is zinc H2O 6 times 2 plus, that is zinc metal complex, and sulfate ion SO4 2 minus ion in this aqueous solution. Barium sulfate form when these solutions are treated with a solution of barium ion. When zinc sulfate treated with the barium chloride, the barium sulfate will be formed. Barium sulfate and zinc sulfate chloride, that is the reaction ZnSO4 plus BaSCl2 gives BaSO4, that is barium sulfate plus zinc chloride ZnCl2. When heated over 680 degrees Celsius, zinc sulfate that will be decomposed into sulfur dioxide gas and zinc oxide fumes, both which are hazardous. When treated with a zinc sulfate heated over 680 degrees Celsius, zinc sulfate heated ZnSO4 heated at 680 degrees Celsius, it will decompose into sulfur dioxide and zinc oxide. Next chemical reaction, dehydration of zinc sulfate heptahydrate, that is zinc sulfate .7H2O. When heated at 50 degrees Celsius, it will form ZnSO4.2H2O. When heated at 100 degrees Celsius, ZnSO4 2H2O, that will form ZnSO4.H2O, that is zinc sulfate monohydrate. When heated at 450 degrees Celsius, it will form zinc sulfate. When heated at 740 degrees Celsius, it will be decomposed into sulfur dioxide and zinc oxide. It is reported to form double salt with potassium and ammonium sulfate. Zinc sulfate with ammonium sulfate, that is ZnSO4 plus NH4 twice SO4 gives ZnSO4 NH4 twice SO4 dot 6H2O. It will form a double salt, potassium and ammonium sulfate. Next chemical reaction. When zinc sulfate reacts with sodium hydroxide, it will form a white precipitate of zinc hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide. It is the reaction ZnSO4 plus 2NOH gives ZnOH twice plus 2 sodium chloride. When treated with the zinc hydroxide is treated with the excess sodium hydroxide, it will form sodium zincate. Sodium zincate, that is NO2 ZnO2 plus water 2H2O. It is the chemical reaction. Next, preparation of zinc sulfate. First method of preparation: metal with aqueous sulfuric acid, zinc plus sulfuric acid plus 7H2O, ZnH plus H2SO4 plus 7H2O gives ZnSO4 dot 7H2O plus H2O H2. Next method of preparation: zinc sulfate also obtained by zinc blend, that is zinc sulfate in presence of air. Zinc sulfate in, that is ZnS plus O2 gives ZnSO4. ZnSO4, zinc sulfate. Pharmaceutical grade zinc sulfate is produced by treating high purity zinc oxide with sulfuric acid. Pharmaceutical grade zinc sulfate is produced by treating high purity zinc oxide with sulfuric acid. That is the reaction zinc sulfate plus H2SO4, zinc oxide plus ZNO, ZNO plus H2SO4 plus 6H2O gives ZnSO4 dot 7H2O, that is zinc sulfate. Next, identification test. Aqueous solution of substance gives reaction characteristics of zinc and sulfate. Aqueous solution of substance gives the reaction characteristics of zinc and sulfate. Test for purity: it is tested for acidity, aluminium, copper, magnesium, manganese, nickel, arsenic, iron, chloride, alkalis and alkaline earth metal. These are the tests for purity. Test for acidity: aluminium, copper, magnesium, manganese, nickel, arsenic, iron, chloride, alkalis and alkaline earth. Storage condition: it is preserved and stored in a well closed container in a cool place. It is preserved and stored in a well closed containers in a cool place. Next, uses of zinc sulfate. Uses: in medicine, used together with ORT, oral rehydration therapy, and an astringent. In medicine, used together with ORT, oral rehydration therapy, and an astringent. Zinc sulfate is an inorganic compound and it is a dietary supplement. As supplement is used to treat zinc deficiency. It is used to treat zinc deficiency. And 0.25% of zinc sulfate is used for ophthalmic purpose. It will also act as emetics. It is used to as an electrolyte for zinc plating, as a mordant in dyeing, and also as a preservative for skin and leathers. It is used in an electrolyte for zinc plating, as a modern in dyeing, and as a preservative for skin and leather. Side effect. The side effect may include abdominal pain, vomiting, and headache and tiredness. The side effect may include abdominal pain, vomiting, and headache and tiredness. This is zinc sulfate. They are used together with ORT, oral rehydration therapy, and in astringent. It is a dietary supplement. Zinc sulfate is a dietary supplement for use for to treat zinc deficiency. 0.25% sulfate used for ophthalmic purpose. It also acts as emetics, used as an electrolyte, as a modern in dyeing, and also act as preservative for skins and leather. Next compound, potash alum. They are synonym aluminum potassium sulfate. Potash alum, aluminum potassium sulfate. Molecular formula KAlSO4 twice dot 12H2O, that is potash alum. KAlSO4 twice dot 12H2O. Their molecular weight 474.07 gram per mole. 474.07 gram per mole. Their preparation: potash alum obtained by adding concentrated solution of potassium sulfate to hot solution of an equimolar proportion of aluminum sulfate. Potassium alum is obtained by adding a concentrated solution of potassium sulfate to hot solution of an equimolar proportion of aluminum sulfate. When solution is concentrated and cooled, characteristics of octahedral separated out. This is the reaction. Potassium sulfate K2SO4 plus Al2SO4 thrice plus 24H2O gives 2 KAlSO4 twice dot 12H2O, that is alum, potassium aluminum sulfate. It is the reaction. Next properties. It is a colorless transparent crystalline structure. It has sweet astringent taste. It is in acidic in nature. An alum powder solution turned to litmus paper red. Alum powder solution turned a litmus paper red. On heating, alum powder changes to liquid first. If heated further, then the salt swells up to form froths. On heating, alum powder which will changes to liquid first. When heating further, then salt start to swells up to form froths. It is soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol. Soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol. Next, identification test. It give reaction which are characteristics for aluminum, potassium and sulfate. Next, test for purity. It is tested for arsenic, heavy metal, iron, zinc. Alum is also compared with the test for ammonium salt. It also test for ammonium salt. That is test for purity. Next, uses, pharmaceutical uses of alum, potassium aluminum sulfate. Alum is an adjuvant in many subunit vaccines such as hepatitis A, hepatitis B, diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, DTP vaccine. In order to augment body to response to immunogens. Alum is used as an adjuvant in many subunit of vaccine like hepatitis A, hepatitis B, diphtheria vaccine, diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis vaccine, DTP vaccines. It will augment the body response to immunogens. Alum in rock form is used as an aftershave. Alum in rock form is used as an aftershave. It is rubbed on a freshly shaved face It is astringent property. It will help to prevent and reduce the bleeding in minor cuts and abrasion. It will astringent property. Due to the astringent property, it will help to prevent and reduce the bleeding in minor cuts and abrasions. Alum has a strong antibacterial properties, and so it is useful as a natural deodorant by inhibiting the growth of the bacteria responsible for body odor. Alum has a strong antibacterial property and useful natural deodorant by inhibit the growth of the bacteria responsible for body odor. Alum is listed as an ingredient of toothpaste or tooth powder and pharmaceutical aid, and is ingredient in toothpaste, tooth powder, and also used as pharmaceutical aid. Alum also acts as styptic to contract organic tissues and stop reduce hemorrhage and bleeding. Alum act also says styptic to contract organic tissue, and it will stop or reduce the hemorrhage and bleeding. And also used as an emetic agent to induce vomiting when a person has swallowed poison. It acts as emetics to induce vomiting when a person swallowed poison. Alum is mainly used as an adjuvant in many subunit vaccines, and alum is rock form. It is used as an aftershave. Alum has strong antibacterial property. It is useful as a natural deodorant, and alum is listed as ingredient for toothpaste or tooth powder. It also used as pharmaceutical aid. Alum acts also styptic to contract organic tissue, and it will reduce or stop the hemorrhage and bleeding, and it also used as an emetics to induce vomiting. It is use of alum. This alum, zinc potash alum, synonym aluminum potassium sulfate. Molecular formula KAlSO4 12H2O. They are obtained from prepared by hot solution of potassium sulfate to hot solution of aluminum sulfate. When solution concentrated and cooled, the characteristics octahedral separated out. Properties, identification, test for purity, and finally uses of alum. Okay, thank you guys.